Hi, this is Simon Young back with Summit Live. If you're joining us live, give us a hashtag live. If you're joining us on the replay, give us a hashtag replay. And today is a very happy Monday. It is the beginning of the week. You know what that means. Yes, I'm talking about, for me personally, it is travel day as we share with you over the weekend. But as you know, over the weekend, we still came on live. We went on the other G Live show as well. You know that we don't stop, but just because we don't stop, just because we don't stop being proactive, just because we don't stop being productive as well, it doesn't mean that we don't know how to have fun, because today is my travel day and we're gonna be spending the entire week on the road doing a lot of great stuff, celebrating my little girl's birthday. It's the first time in 2 years that we actually get to celebrate outside of lockdown. That's pretty crazy if you think about it, right? So we're definitely going to make the most of it, but don't worry, because as what we mentioned as well yesterday, even though I'm on the road, I do plan on coming back on live because, once again, we never stop. And just so that you know, the other thing that we should all be excited about is that we are within the last few days already before this coming weekend's Summit launch event. Are you excited about the Summit launch event? If you are, type in the word excited inside of the comments. Now, of course, as previously mentioned, even though I am traveling today, I'm still on live, and that is why I do want to make this short and sweet and to the point, a little bit shorter than normal, hopefully, but who knows, we tend to over-deliver right here in our community. So if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure that you like us on our Facebook pages, join us in our groups, turn on all those notifications, because you're not going to want to miss any kind of the tips, tutorials, and updates that we have for you, especially the ones that we have going on this week. Now, last time we did give you some email swipes, if you remember, on promoting the Summit launch event, copy and pasting, modeling after, however it is that you want to use them. Today, we do have some additional promotional resources for you. Is that okay? If that's okay with you, type in the word okay inside of the comments. Now, let's go ahead and get straight to the point. I want to invite you to go to summitasia.com/JV. Once again, summitasia.com/JV. And of course, if you need to go back to check out any of our previous replays from yesterday, from this past weekend, from the last week or so, highly recommend it that you do so. Otherwise, you're not going to know too much about what I'm talking about. That's why usually we want to give you summaries of what's going on, as well as additional details. But today, as we mentioned, we are a little bit short on time. So I first and foremost want to invite you to go to summitasia.com/JV. And over here is where you'll find more information about our JV program. Now, our affiliate program consists of one link right now over here, which you can find right here at the top once you've logged into your widget. Or when you go to the link section, you'll see one link there as well. And where that's going to take you is to our event page. Okay, it's going to take you to a page where you can go ahead and register for our launch event that's coming up in 4 days, 22 hours, and 49 minutes. We're not going to go into this page again because we've done this multiple times already. So highly recommend it that you come over here and check out this page for yourself if you need to. But going back to our page over here at summitasia.com/JV. Yesterday, we shared with you some additional swipes that we gave you to copy and paste, which you can find over here, the HTML version, okay, which has graphics, which has images, some formatting as well, clickable links, as well as the view HTML. So you can just grab the code if you need to, or if you want to, just like myself, get just the text view, okay? You can just do that over here, copy this right over here, and everything will be successfully copied into your clipboard. All you gotta do is then go back into your email autoresponder and then enter in the image and the text and all the content there, and you'll be able to send this out yourself, okay? We have 2 emails for you right here, right now under resets, and this one is called the Headliner, where we're featuring Mr. Mark Joyner, who is now known as the father of digital marketing, And so with that, he is our keynote speaker. For those of you who don't know Mr. Mark, he is somebody who is a veteran in the internet marketing space, somebody that I looked up to even when I was working at Google, and one of the first early mentors that I had the pleasure of meeting back in the day. And of course, we've been friends over the past 15 years or so. Absolutely awesome dude. You're going to be in for a treat when you meet him, of course, at the Summit launch event. So with that, those are our emails, and that was what we gave you in terms of new resources yesterday. Now, today, I do want to share with you some additional promotional resources, and that is in the form of banners right over here. Now, the really cool news is, of course, this is a promotional widget which you can use, and even for us, we're using this as well, but you can use this as a vendor, as a product creator, as an information product owner, or a service owner to provide you with resources for your affiliates so that they can promote whatever product that you are selling, right? So with that, we're actually doing this one step at a time. A lot of these you'll notice, for example, under, I don't know, social media, right? There's nothing here. Under video reviews, there's nothing here. Okay, so with that, just know that not every single one of these actually have items, because of course this is a very temporary event. The Summit launch event is going to happen only one time, and so it didn't make sense for us to put in too many resources to promote this one event. But at the same time, we still want to, gear them out to you, roll them out, whatever we feel is necessary at that point in time. And today, we figure that it might be necessary, or it might be relevant and a good time as well to be sharing with you something that we call promotional banners. Are you excited about promotional banners? These are graphics, these are images, okay? If you like graphics marketing, type in the word graphics inside the comments, and so that for this one, we actually have our CTO, Mr. Nicholas McIntosh, to thank for this, because inside of our group, he actually shared all of these different graphics that he has created for the launch event, presumably initially just for himself, but then he decided to share them with our group, share them with our members, and now today we're sharing this to you. So if you're going to be using this, if you find this helpful, make sure that inside of the comments that you're saying thank you to Nicholas, because our CTO always is hard at work putting together a lot of graphics, a lot of resources, a lot of content, putting together websites and pages and lead generation forms and lots of technical stuff in the background as well. So definitely somebody that we are very grateful to in terms of putting together a lot of great resources for us. So over here, once you click on the banner section, you'll see that there are several different graphics that you can use. One is promoting the live event. So it's basically a graphic that says live event, Saturday the 9th of April. Click here to check out the speaker lineup. And of course, you can register by clicking over here. And then over here is another graphic. That's a special event on Saturday, 9th of April, 2022. And this one is called Live Speakers. As we scroll forward, you'll see additional graphics that are actually highlighting different individual speakers. So you'll see that for Mark Joyner over here, right? You'll see that over here, we have a graphic that is specifically targeting him, as well as marketing him and promoting the father of digital marketing. But in addition, when you scroll down, you will also see a lot of other speakers that we also have as well. Okay, so with all of that, you can use this to promote individually. You can use this to promote all within one promotion. You can use it to promote one a day, one every few hours. It really is up to you. It is in our recommendation, of course, that you use as many of these graphics as possible, because that's the whole reason why we have them for you, right? Because they are here for you to be used. So if this means that every day for the next 5 days, you will be making 3 social media posts, if it means that every single day for the next 5 days, you will be, sending out 3 emails. You will be, sending out messages to your friends with multiple of these messages. Or if you have 1 or 2 of the different social media posts that you want to post on your social media, such as Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, and you want to create a collage out of it, or you want to, post multiple of these different speakers and feature multiple of them per post, and feature multiple of these images, every time that you're sharing something, then of course this is a great idea as well. The reason why we're sharing this with you on a Monday as opposed to on a Wednesday or on a Friday is of course because as you can see, there are plenty of different images that you can use over here as graphics and banners, and it doesn't make sense for us to only give you one single day or 2 days to promote all of these different banners, right? So today is a great day. That's why we say take action right now as fast as you can. Do not wait for anything. Don't wait to be asked. Don't wait for the perfect day. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. There wouldn't be one. The best time is always yesterday, but the next best time is right here, right now. That's why right smack in the early times of the week on Monday, we're sharing with you all these different resources already, because over the next few days, we do want you to spare your time accordingly to schedule out all these different promotions and for you to actually send them out in the capacity and on the schedule that fits you the best. So with that, these are the graphics that you can use. And by the way, yes, you can, if you want to, right click on this and save this, of course, into your desktop. If you want to save this as an image onto your computer. And so with that, once you do that, whether you save this onto your computer or a tablet device on your phone, this means that now you can actually download them, save them on your device, and then upload them into any social media that you want. Now, if you want to create this onto your own websites, if you want to paste this into your own blogs, the good news is that by default, with the regular Groove tools, you have all these different links over here, all these different codes right over here, whereby when you simply go over here, right? And then let's say you want to copy the code, you want to copy and paste, select all and copy and paste this into your own website, which you can use, by the way, directly within the Groove Pages application within grooveasia.cm. All right, so with all of that, you're able to paste this directly into your own website. And so when you do that and when you embed them into your own pages, these banners will be clickable according to your own affiliate link. Okay, so with that, this means that anytime that you promote, you will get commissions. You will get commissions anytime that in the future you make a sale. Anytime a successful conversion actually happens, all these people will be tagged to you and you will end up making money with affiliate marketing. How many of you want to make money with affiliate marketing? If you do, type in the word affiliate inside the comments, because affiliate commissions is exactly what this is all about. All right, so with that, that is pretty much the update that I have for you right over here, right? These are all the different banners and graphics and images that you can be using right here today, starting right now, to start promoting and continue promoting, because once again, the event is just a few days away. Now, earlier, I did mention that whenever somebody clicks on this, they will be sent to the affiliate link of yours if you use this code. Now, if for whatever reason, okay, you're just using the images, you're maybe on Instagram, you're maybe on, LinkedIn, you're maybe on Twitter, or maybe you're on Facebook, a page or a profile or a group or whatever else, right? And you're not able to actually use the code, well, don't worry. As mentioned, what you can do is right click on any one of these images, save them onto your computer and upload them, share them on social media, just like how you normally would. And when you go back to the promo tools, as we mentioned, right, this is your affiliate link. Okay, so whenever somebody clicks on this, you send this via email, you send this via chat, you send this, on social media in whatever capacity that you want. Well, whenever somebody actually clicks on this, you will get credit anytime somebody goes to this page, which they will be redirected to. Okay, and again, as you can see, 4 days, 22 minutes, and now 39 minutes from now, this live event will be starting. So make sure that you don't miss out on this 12-hour extravaganza. But regardless of the case, right, scroll through the page to learn exactly what this event is all about, all the speakers that we just introduced to you moments ago. And now, once you're using your affiliate link, you will see that there is a form on this page. Anytime somebody enters in their first name, last name, best email address, clicks on secure my free seat now, anybody who registers, they will now be tagged to you. And yes, you will be able to earn potential affiliate commissions. Does that sound good to you? Do you want to earn more commissions? If yes, type in the word commissions inside of the comments. So if you yourself have not yet had the opportunity to do so, this is your page. to register. SummitAsia.com/launch. Once again, that's SummitAsia.com/launch. Definitely something that you do not want to miss. All right, so with that, that is pretty much all of the updates that we have for you right here, right now. Yes, it is quite a bit for you to absorb, but at the same time, it's information that you need to know. And so, of course, with all of that, we want to invite you to take fast action because time is of the essence. The event is just a few days away. You're not going to want to miss out on your chance to not only attend, but also promote because, worst things to happen is during the event, you're like, wow, all these great things happening. All these people around me are now making money, earning commissions, things that you could have been doing as well. Don't look back in regret. Make sure that you take fast action because as we mentioned yesterday, leaders are proactive, okay? Leaders are proactive. Write that down. You don't want to be reactive. You don't want to be inactive. You want to be proactive because you don't want to wait until everybody else is already doing something because they know that they're supposed to be doing it anyway and you're still sitting around. Oh, so am I supposed to do this? Am I not? Am I supposed to wait for instructions? Is somebody supposed to tell me what to do? The answer is no. You got to be proactive. You got to take action, and that action time is right here, right now. Before we let you go, we do have a few people who are within our community right now, but unfortunately, we're not able to see everybody's name. We do see Mr. Sam, who is joining us, of course, #live and saying okay, but we do have a few other members as well who are sharing their comments with us right now online. Facebook user is saying #live. Another Facebook user is saying have a nice trip. Thank you very much. Facebook user is also saying graphic. Another Facebook user is saying affiliate. And yet another Facebook user is saying thanks for update. Now, for all I know, it may or may not be the exact same Facebook user, but of course, for those of you who haven't yet already, we want to invite you to go to simonleung.com/authorize. Once again, that's simonleung.com/authorize because once you go there to simonleung.com/authorize, now you will be able to authorize Restream to see you on this actual stream. So the next time that you do say hi, we don't see just like from this Facebook user, #live, we actually see just like from Mr. Sam, #live, we get to see your name, we get to see your smiling faces. And so with that, that's what we want because we want to interact with you. So once again, please go to simonleung.com/authorize. That's where you will be able to authorize Restream to be able to see who you are on Facebook so that the next time that you leave a lovely comment for us to interact and engage with, we will be able to see who you are. All right, so with all of that, thank you, Facebook user, for wishing us a great trip. We're about to head out the door very, very soon. So with all of that, of course, we want to make sure that you have all the information that you need before I go so that you can take action for the rest of this day. And just so that you know, even though we'll be on the road over the next few days, of course, Wi-Fi and God willing, I do plan on coming back on live every single day as well, if possible, because, as you know, it is crunch time. And for all of us, we always want to make sure that we're taking massive action, we're being proactive and interacting with each and every single one of you, right? So if you want all of those updates, make sure that you like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, turn on all those notifications because you're not going to want to miss out the next time that we go live with all these additional updates just mere days before this historic 12-hour straight live event is going to happen, which is called the Summit launch event. All right, so with that, on behalf of the entire Summit community and myself, I do want to thank you for you and your time for spending your Monday with us. I know that you can be spending it with your family, doing it with whatever way that you want, working, hanging out, spending time with yourself, watching movies, whatever, but you're here, you're learning, so congratulations for all of that. The next step is for all of us, as always, to take action right now. And let us know if you have any questions. And of course, we'll see you right here at the top on Summit Live the next time that we come on live as well. So for that, make sure that you do take massive action because again, the event is just happening in just a few days from now. So make sure that you start promoting, you go live, you multi-stream, you restream, do whatever it is that you need to, and we'll see your results very, very soon. All right, catch you next time. Have a great rest of the day. And we'll catch you on the next Summit Live. Cheers, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day.